8579 Classical Engineers. And their alliance partner, team 26260, route -4. On the Blue Alliance side, we have team 18255 Stealth Robotics. And their alliance partner, team 24158 Green Gang. You ready? All right, let's get this match started in 3, 2, 1, go!
Robots driving autonomously now here in match 78 of the Clark division. All four robots still moving here. 8579. That's Classical Engineers from Temperance, Michigan. They've just grabbed a sample off of the ground, taking it up with their bucket to drop it off in the high basket. There they go. That's 8 points right there. Possibly 16 total if it remains at the end of the teleoperated period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
Now robots running under the control of their human operators right there. 24-158, that's Green Gang from Rockville, Maryland. They've got a sample in their manipulator, extending it back out and dropping off that sample in their observation zone, going back to grab another as their human player makes it into a specimen by attaching that black clip to it. Those specimens could possibly be scored as part of a common strategy we see, which is to build up a large supply of those specimens and then slam them up all onto that high chamber or low chamber very quickly at the very end of the match. On the other end of the Blue Alliance, 18255, that's Stealth Robotics out of Barrington, Illinois. They're lined up with a sample on the floor in the submersible zone. They've got that Alliance neutral sample, sending up their manipulator and dropping it off in that high basket. 26260, that's route -4 from Springdale, Arkansas. They go to clip on a specimen, but it doesn't quite go on, and possibly some trouble as their claw may have become detached from their arm that is intended to be. We will see what they're able to do for the remainder of this match. 50 seconds to go at this point in time. Both alliances still working full power on ramping up their scores. Back to the Blue Alliance side of the field, 24158. That's Green Gang. They just got a specimen in their possession. They drop it off on the high chamber and go back for more. Those will be 10 points apiece for their alliance. That whistle means 30 seconds to go. Just 21 points separating these teams, which is not a lot in Into the Deep. Teams still working to build up their own score. Stealth Robotics continuing to cycle samples up into that high basket for the Blue Alliance. Red still working to build up their own as 8579 Classical Engineers grabs another sample to go drop something off in the high basket. Stealth Robotics of the Blue Alliance first up as we come under 5 seconds to go. Teams appear to be opting for some possible parks as time expires.
All right, with the conclusion of 70, let's take a look at the scores from 78. It's a win for the Blue Alliance with 196 points.